Today we are looking at this beautiful custom made infrared 1200 watt panel heater. I have to say beautiful, it has an image of my car on it. So this was very kindly sent from Surya Heating. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Their website is really helpful. There is information about how infrared heating is cheaper to run and how it's better for your health and how they heat the room. If you're going for a panel heater, how many panels you will need and more. As always, if you find the video useful, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Over to you, Junior.
Some information in the box. It comes with a remote. It is also Wi-Fi compatible. You can use it with the Smart Life app. You can also use it via a Google Assistant or Alexa, and it has a built-in thermostat. So this is everything what come inside the box. We have a mounting plate, some wall plugs and screws, a remote, a well-written instruction booklet, and the heater itself. It does come well packaged. Sorry about this, I've covered my face, I'm camera shy, and that's my number plate covered. So this panel I'm going to put on the wall. If you want to stand it up, you can get brackets, however it is an additional charge. As you can see, this is a lovely made panel. The front is made from fur coating. This should prevent the panel from warping or yellowing. On the back we have the two brackets which are aluminium, the frame which is metal, and we have a nice length cord. Wiring comes in PCB casing. We have a thermostat override switch and a Wi-Fi reset button.
So that's the remote control. Information sticker at the back. It takes two AAA batteries which are not included. If I push on, you will see on the right hand corner of the heater a blue light has come up, and it also made that little sound as well, letting you know that the heater is on. So once you turn the remote on, you could see there where it says room, that's the room temperature, and at the bottom where it says set, so that's the temperature for the heater. So if the room now is 23 degrees Celsius, and then I've got the heater at 30 degrees Celsius, so it will heat it up to 30 degrees Celsius and then it will go off. Important thing to mention, this is a panel heater, although it's a really large panel heater. They're not like your normal heaters, like your radiators heat up really quick, or do you know, like you have them oil filled radiators like I have reviewed on my channel as well. These, you've got to be in direct line of sight for the heat to get you. Okay, I'll just link it up to the app. I already have the Smart Life app. Let's go to add device, small home appliance, heater Wi-Fi. I'll quickly put my Wi-Fi password in off camera. I need to hold that reset button at the back for 5 seconds. The indicator on the right hand side has started to blink red. And there it's connected. So I'll just press done. Power it on, there. Powered on, it's giving the temperature here. The app has basic functions, but them basic functions are the ones you only need. It doesn't overcomplicate things, it's nice and simple. So you've got power on off weekly. You could set a timer as well. From Monday to Friday, if you go to work in the morning, you could have the heater on before you wake up, and then you can have it on your way home. You could turn it on through the app. You only need Wi-Fi to set the app up. Once the app is set up, you could turn your Wi-Fi off and use your mobile data. We have timer there. Next to that, you could change the temperature, so you could go from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. I'm leaving it in degrees Celsius. You could adjust it from here as well. Really easy to set up the app. Okay, now I'll mount the heater and then we'll have a look at it once it's mounted. Mounting the panel was straightforward thanks to the mounting guide included. We used the hardware included. All we needed was a drill. On to the two most important things. First, let's talk about the heat. So infrared heating is great, especially if you suffer from respiratory problems or any skin conditions. Like when you turn on the radiators or the oil-filled radiator or a convector heater, they dry the air, causing you to cough and making you itch. With infrared heating, it heats the object up so the heat feels nice and pleasant, if you understand what I mean. If you check out Surya Heating, they do a better job at explaining this than I ever will do. Second thing, infrared heating is a lot cheaper to run. My smart meter, when I used to turn on the oil-filled radiator, the light would go from green to amber. I'm using a lot more electric. With this one, it stays on green and I'm staying warm. So I know it's not costing me much to stay warm. I absolutely love it. I won't be going back to other heaters moving forward. I will stay with infrared heating. One other thing to mention, this panel heater will make a great gift. As we are heading towards winter and the holiday season, give the gift of heat. I'm glad I thought of that one. All that's left to do is say a big thank you to Surya Heating for sending this heater out. Absolutely recommend it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.